Get ours.
Go get some toilet paper.
You got a boogie? Let me see. Ew. Did brother have a boogie? Yeah, shut up, Scrappy. Are they getting our trash? Yeah. Are you walking? You decided to walk? Yeah. Oh,
Show Mommy your hands now.
is it gone? Good. Georgia, they're going. Look, they're getting the trash can. Yeah, that's our trash can. Say bye-bye, trash.
Bye-bye, guys. Donnie likes to say cash. Mama, their thing's leaking. You see it? Ew.
It's probably trash juice.
That's why the road stinks when they come.
So tonight we talked a lot. The show is about the great white and the bull shark. Great white, way bigger. The bull shark is supposed to be more aggressive. We'll start with you guys.
They just drunk a trash can around.
Georgia, hi.
I think the hungriest one.
Say bye-bye, trash truck.
Bye-bye, guys.
Ew, it stinks. Oh my God, I would hate to do that.
Starling, please calm down.
Would you do that, Mama?
What's that? Huh? Yeah. I love you. 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 Are you silly? Silly goose, silly goose, silly goose, silly goose. You can't see yourself. There's Georgia. Say hi.
Let me see.
Mama. Are you being a baby?
I'm not being a baby.
Oh, then quit crying.
Yeah, baby.
You're a baby.
Yeah, baby.
That hurt. You do not do that. That was mean. Are you mean? Are you mean? You need to go wipe your face. Hi, baby Georgia. No.
Yeah.
No. I love you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Georgia. Georgia. Say bye-bye.